Top of the morning to you, gang. Sky Pilot here. Welcome to my channel. What is that racer there? Yes, this is the Eachine Tyro 79S, Eachine's latest racer kit. You've probably seen this packaged, advertised. Everything you need to get into the FPV sport is in this package. I'm just running a bog stock standard unit here, 653S, two of those supplied, 200 milliwatt VTXs. I've got the stock standard as they are shipped props on here, so you guys can actually see exactly how she flies straight out the box. Of course, the BETAFPV Eachine lookalike remote is also included, as well as some spares. So check out my last video up on the screen there, guys. You can see exactly what comes in the box. But today we are just going to take the Tyro 79S up in the sky, see what sort of range we get from this Eachine remote. It's an 80 milliwatt radio, so I'm going to see how far she actually travels out there. I do have my own radio, but I just want to see exactly the sort of performance we're going to get straight out of the box. So if you guys are looking at purchasing this unit, there's a massive sale on. Check out the links below and grab yourself some info if you're interested. Let's get cracking with Eachine 79 Tyro. Quick line of sight first, guys. Make sure everything is as it should be. So to kick things off with this, you simply turn the radio on. Make sure all your switches are facing forward, and the left one here is your arming switch. Okay, so let's arm. We'll keep it in angle mode, and it's as simple as that, guys. We're off. Quick line of sight. Oh yeah. Nice on the controls, folks, I must say. Really nice sticks to handle. And just caught it. Really light on the stick, so not a great deal of input required, and it seems to zip along quite nicely. Okay, FPV. FPV footage courtesy of my Sky Zones today. Knee. Ow. Okay, make sure everything's recording, and let's head down the road. Well, that's how far we are away at the moment. I know it's saying 0 on my screen. I haven't played around with this on Betaflight at all, so what you see is what you get out of the box, guys. I imagine there's a little bit of tinkering to do in Betaflight to get our RSSI signal correct. And okay, we're getting a little bit of break up there. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. And yeah, using the stock standard remote here, So pretty good reception from this radio. Really nice to fly, folks. Yeah, not difficult at all. So level of difficulty, I give this, yeah, not very difficult at all. I'm almost at the other side of the oval now, so that's really good. That's really good coverage, not only from the radio, but also from our VTX. So I'm going through the goalpost here, that's excellent. Okay, really good, wow, I'm impressed. I'm going full speed ahead now, almost. That's why our low batteries come up. And there's a car behind me, just make sure that car goes. Really light on the sticks this is. We're getting a bit of break up there from some towers possibly. Okay, let's try a little bit of acro. Again, the rates are all completely as we would get them out of the box, guys. So yeah, really nice. I think we better head home because we are getting low on battery, and I don't want to destroy my 650s. See if we can find somewhere to land. Maiden flight, first impressions, flaming excellent. Way over the other side of the oval with my radio. I didn't think this radio would perform that well, but I didn't have any issues at all. Yeah, the RSSI isn't showing anything, but that's a simple fix on Betaflight. That's not an issue. This is exactly how you get out of the box, guys. So what you saw is what you get, but I thought that was really good. I know you can improve the props on this. The speed was there. I wouldn't be interested in getting anything too much fast on this because it's certainly well quick enough. Excellent VTX range, and yeah, I didn't crash it, so it must be easy to fly. Let's put the other pack on and crack on. Okay, let's see how long this battery lasts for, guys. I'll have the timer running down below. We'll just have some cruising around. Just normal flying, I won't do any punch outs or anything, or maybe one. Getting a bit of break up down there, but there are some wires around the place down there, so to be expected. This thing scoots along really nicely, folks. I think you'll all agree. And it's certainly yeah, slow enough so that you can have a little bit of a play around without smashing into something. Maybe one punch out. Geez, a whole lot of fun. Wow, what a cool unit. Very pleasant to fly, folks. I'm pleasantly surprised how pleasant this is to fly. And this radio is I'm really impressed how well this radio is doing, folks. I really didn't think it would do this well, but I was going to bring my own Tyrannus out here, but I thought, no, I'll give this a crack. There's some Wi-Fi in this building, so well, it's going to break up a bit there. Stay away from the fire pit. Yeah, I'm really surprised how well this is doing. Yeah, it would have been good if this kit came out a little bit a few months ago when the Tyro itself came out. That would be pretty cool. But it doesn't matter, it's here now. Excellent. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be aiming for around 4 minutes on that battery. Let's take it back down before we run out of power. Yeah, looking at about a 4 to 5 minute flight time. Let's bring her down and finish her off. What a terrific little unit, folks. Yeah, 10 out of 10, guys. This thing is a absolute cracker. Value for money, you can't go wrong. Value for money and fun, beauty. The Tyro 79S. I give this thing 5 stars. I'll be doing some more flights with different props on, and I'll be chucking a 4S on there, see how it performs with the 4S. Yeah, you can attach your own radio if you want, of course. I'll hook up my Tyrannus, get on the Betaflight, sort out the on-screen display for the next video. I'm impressed, folks. Drop us a comment, drop us a thumbs up if you like it, if you've got one, if you want one. It's good to see you. I'll see you soon. Take care in the sky, Sky Pilot. Catch you later on. Bye for now.
What a beauty.